Good morning. I am Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty, and welcome to this episode of Walking in Circles. Walking in Circles is all about goal setting, okay? And here's the thing about Nest Pretty, it's all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And so on Monday mornings, I love to look at my list of goals. I love to make new ones. I love to get excited about the small steps that I have to make every day to reach the goals. And so running in circles is about the quarter mile every day that you have to put forth the effort to reach your goals. So if you want to run a marathon, you have to start putting one foot in front of the other, and you may have to run around a circle many times to get there. So, but what I want to talk about today is how self-care changed my mind. I have been focusing on self-care this month. It's a goal of mine to take really good care of myself. I've been practicing it all year. It's been amazing. One thing that I've been encouraging myself and others to do is just to sit quietly. And here's what I learned. Sitting quietly, you can learn so much about what's going on inside of your tricky little brain. So I've been using this app to track my exercise and also my food intake. And what I realized that I was doing was I would exercise so that I would get more calories allotted to me, and then I would eat more, which kind of goes against the whole point of, doing an exercise program, eating right, so that you see the benefits of that on the scale. But the funny thing is, I've been doing that for years, okay? See, every time I've trained for a marathon, I have literally gained 10 pounds. And now I know why. Because my brain is like, woohoo, you just ran 5 miles? Let's eat all the things because you deserve it. And, after every time I gain those 10 pounds, I'm like, okay, so running a marathon isn't really that big of a deal. It doesn't afford you to be able to eat whatever you want. Not at all. And I'm living proof of that. So what I came to realize is that my brain was using exercise as an excuse, as a reason, as a celebration, as a reward to eat more, to drink more, and then it would negate the wonderfulness that the exercise was supposed to do for me. So this is what I came to realize in my quiet moments of self-care. I'm changing my mind. I changed my mind. I did this like 3 days ago. I now exercise not so that I can eat or drink, but so that I benefit from moving my body, because it feels so good. It really does. I love moving my body. And the benefits of that are amazing. So, in just those quiet little moments, good morning, you're so cute, little puppy. In those quiet moments, I realized that I had what it's called is a thought distortion. So it's a thought that your brain has. Your brain thinks it's very real. And you could see the results of it. Because your brain is convinced that the reward for exercise is food or drink. So changing a thought distortion can be pretty easy. It can just be like, oh, well, that's not a good thought. I'm going to change that thought. to exercise is the reward. Okay. Okay, I hate to tell you my age, but I'm 49 years old, and it took me that long to figure it out. 2 marathons and like probably 6 half marathons to figure that out. Okay, so I'm just here to share that with you guys so that you guys don't make the same mistake that I have made. If you have a thought distortion that is affecting you and your goals, whether your goals have to do with exercising or weight loss or whatever your goals are, running in circles is about goals, not just walking around in a circle. It's about making the small choices or the small thought changes to help you to get to where you want to be. So if you've learned about a thought distortion you've had, I'd love to hear about it, because I know I'm not the only one thinking crazy thoughts that don't serve me. So if you want to share in the comments, I would love to hear about it. Now this month with Ness Pretty, I've been focusing on self-care, and self-care literally changed my mind. So that's a really cool thing. I have a 14-day self-love challenge going on right now. You can get it. The link is in the bio. And I'm going to do a training this week in my Ness Pretty Facebook group. So if you are not in there, then come join us. It will always be there in the unit section. Something I teach about self-care. Self-care is a huge subject. And it's amazing what you learn about yourself and about your thoughts when you stop and you get quiet and you listen. So this is Heidi with Ness Pretty, walking in circles, moving my body because it feels amazing. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Please share your thought distortions. Don't leave me hanging. Bye.